In this video, I will show you how to download Vidmate for PC. Open your web browser and search for BlueStacks. Click on the first search result. Click on the Download button. Once downloaded, locate the installer by clicking on the folder icon. Double-click the installer to begin the installation process. Click Install. Wait for the installation process to complete. After installation, double-click the BlueStacks icon to open it. From the System App folder within BlueStacks, open Chrome. Search for Vidmate. Click on the first link. Download Vidmate. Double-click the downloaded file to install it. Click Install. Wait for the installation process to complete. Click Open once the installation is finished. Wait for the app to load. Now you can use Vidmate on your PC or laptop. Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.